Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mita Budget. I am Brigado, the seller of the MSA Home. So today, tara samahan niyo ako at itutour ko kayo sa aming one-bedroom unit na 28.50 square meters dito po kay The Camden Place. Okay po. Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So ito right now, I'm here at the Camden Place. So itutour ko kayo sa one of the available units na one-bedroom unit natin dito sa kanya. So if you noticed, the hallway of Camden Place is quite different from our other projects because dito po kay the Camden Place, wala pong balcony yung mga units natin, and also wala rin tayong atrium level. Pero as you can see, right now I'm on the 14th floor. Free-flowing pa rin yung air because from end to end, meron pa rin mga natural ventilation for this project. So nakita ninyo butas yan from side to side para free-flowing pa rin yung air. Okay, so this unit is unit 1403. This one is facing towards Taft, towards LaSalle, BGC. So this is a standard turnover as a standard deliverables. Ganun pa rin. Actually, yung natin, standard kitchen cabinets natin, granite countertop, yung range hood natin, may provision na kitchen sink, yan. And then, dito sa side na to, yung ating toilet and bath. Okay, so same pa rin as our standard deliverables. Okay, so fittings and fixtures sa kay medicine cabinet. Kasama po yan. Okay, so just like standard na one bedroom natin, pero itong layout na to, medyo pa-wide siya, okay? Kasi medyo malawak yung space natin dito, and dito yung washing machine natin. And dito yung living and dining area mo. And then here na yung ating bedroom area. Okay, wherein dito window type aircon pa rin tayo sa project na to. And dito po awning window lang tayo. Okay, kasi most of the buildings here dito sa area na to, wala po talagang walang balcony, especially dito. These are also designed, syempre dito malapit tayo sa malapit tayo sa University Belt, okay? So karamihan dito, either dito nagtatrabaho dito sa area na to, or mga students, mga nag-aaral dito po sa area na to, okay? So yan, so that concludes my tour here for our one-bedroom unit na 28 square meters. So if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko na Flash Street. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayong mag-schedule ng content presentation via Zoom. Pwede tayong mag-schedule ng site viewing. So pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa project na to para mapakita ko po sa inyo yung ganda ni The Camden Place. Okay? So thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay mananotify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.